Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be checking out the Akko Blue on White Keycap set that was sent over to me by Akko themselves for my honest review. Now I plan on using this keycap set for a build that I have planned for an upcoming video, but I decided to make a whole video dedicated to this keycap set because I really like everything about it. So without further ado, let's get right into it. This keycap set goes for $60 on Amazon and comes with 197 keycaps with an ASA profile, and the material they are made out of is PBT double shot. And what that means is that there won't be shine or any grease marks on the keycaps over time like they do tend to have on something like an ABS keycap, so you won't have that problem here. So if that's what you're looking for, then these keycaps are definitely something you should check out. Now this is one of the many keycaps Akko offers, so if blue is not your style or if you didn't want a white keycap set, feel free to still look at the link I'll be leaving in the description below, and it'll basically show you all of Akko's keycap sets that are around the same price point on Amazon.com that come with everything that I'll be talking about, just different colors. With that all being said, let's get right into the unboxing. Inside the box, you get another box and a smaller box as well. So inside that small box, you get some extra keys that you may need. It also comes with an ISO enter key. So if you were looking for an ISO enter key, then this keycap set does have that as well. Inside the bigger box is where all of your main keycaps are. So like your modifiers and alpha keys and everything else you may need, and it comes in this pretty cool magnetic box that also comes with a purple switch puller as well, and that is standard across all of Akko's keycaps. So inside the box you get them all laid out for you, so all you have to do is take out one by one and put them onto the keyboard of your choosing. If you did want more of a blue, you could also go with the blue accent keys they offer inside the box. You get blue arrow keys, blue backspace, enter keys, and space bars, and some blue novelties as well. Now those novelties are standard across all of Akko keycap sets, so they're nothing crazy towards where it seemed around this blue on white keycap set, but nevertheless it's cool that they at least included them. So the material, like I said, is double shot PBT. It has a double injection mold, meaning the blue and white are two separate molds, which means it has a longer lifespan and is higher quality. That is why usually you have these keycap sets going for higher prices, because of the higher quality. These keycaps have Akko's ASA profile, which I believe is their own profile. It's like a mix of SA profile and XDA profile, if I had to sort of describe it, and I personally really enjoy this keycap set profile. Overall, I have no complaints with this keycap set. I think it looks great, it feels great, and it sounds great too. Since they are going to be a little bit taller, you will get more of a deeper tone out of your keyboard. So if that's something that you were also looking for, then this keycap set also has you covered for that. Like I said before, I'll be leaving a link in the description below if you do plan on buying them, and let me know what you think about them in the comments down below. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.